Hi, it's Nin of NiNDesigns, and today I'm going to show you how to do the 2 by 1 by 2 RPT cable. Now, this cable is a 5-stitch cable. We'll be working with these 5 here. The goal is to get these last 2 stitches to cross over everything and be in the front. The front 2 stitches will cross over everything to be in the back, and the purl stitch will remain where it is. So let's get started. To do this, and of course we're doing it without a cabling needle, you insert your working needle into the back legs of the 2 stitches that need to come across and lean to the right. Just be very careful when you do so that you don't splice the legs or the yarn legs. Now, to move these, we will need to drop all 5 stitches off the left needle. I'm going to stabilize it with my left thumb and my ring finger of my right hand. So here we go. There. As you can see, the stitches have been dropped. I'm simply going to pick up the stitches that were dropped and that were free floating and put them back onto the left hand needle. I'll swing those stitches on the right needle around, and we're going to return them tip to tip onto your left needle. There we go. Now, these stitches are a work through the back of the loop, knit stitches, and we'll do that right now. There's 1, and there's 2. Great. Now let's take a look and see what we've got so far. We've got our purl, because we can see the purl collar on it. Now at the far side, in our 2 knit stitches, which are knit through the back of the loop, in the center, we must change the orientation. What we will do is take the purl stitch and move it from behind and set it back on the left needle. To do so, I like to flip my work over so I can see the back of my work. I take my working needle tip and I insert it as carefully as I can into the back leg of that purl, like so. Now, we are going to drop all 3 stitches off the left needle. The purl will be anchored on the working needle, which is the right one. These 2 knit stitches will be free floating. So I'm going to try to anchor them again with my thumb of my left hand and my ring finger, or whichever finger, of my right hand, so that they do not start to unravel. So here we go. There. So the purl is off, and the 2 knit stitches are off as well. And I'm going to pick the knit stitches up. Knit stitches, by their nature, always fall forward when they are dropped on fabric. You can especially notice it when you are doing a ribbing. Purl stitches will always move to the back. Now, the purl is on the right needle. I'm going to return it tip to tip to the left needle, like so. And then I'm just going to simply work it. It's a little more finicky, there we go, than working with a 3-stitch cable, but it's certainly possible. There. Now what's left to do is to work through these 2 stitches, and since they are knit through the back of the loops, that is what we shall do. The first one, and the second one, and there you have it. That's how you do the 5-stitch cable, or as we call it in the pattern, the 2 by 1 by 2 RPCT.